Welcome. In front of me I have the GoPro Lit Hero 4K, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with just a quick look at the action cam itself. Okay, so getting into it, actually before I do, packaging wise, it looks kind of atrocious. I can already see some kind of misplacements in the box. You can see there is a bit of a bulge right here, so something is kind of popping here. Anyway, just pop that off. As you can kind of see, I guess this is just protruding for no reason. Taking that entire thing out. Have paperwork. Let's be honest, no one gives two craps about that one. Got the cable that was making the entire thing just kind of be misshaped. Get the mounting. And the actual camera itself, along with, is that like a lens cover? Let's see. So let's peel that off. Great. Okay. And oh, yep, there we go. We can just take that off, but not cover it somehow? No. So I'm confused. Anyway, so you can remove it if you want. I'm not necessarily sure what that is for. It's not for, oh, wait. Ah, there we go. It's a diffuser for the flash. Considering, you know, they could have just popped it on here instead of giving you glass and give you this frosted thing, but no. We just get 4 LEDs right here that you need to diffuse yourself. Now, other than that, we have a display right here, on a bit of a smaller side, as you can see. The entire thing is actually relatively small itself. Our mounting, which is part of, obviously, the action cam itself. And the additional mountings for obviously mounting it to like a helmet or other things are included with the Type-C to Type-C cable. Now with the camera right here, you can record at 4K up to 60 frames. So you just get the standard kind of quality, I would say, in terms of resolution and frame rates. Now to the extent of how well it's stabilizing and all that stuff, I have no clue. I'm not really going to be going over testing right here. So yeah, that's basically everything that there is in the box, and I hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.